Arigitani kiama-inĩ gĩa KMPDU manathi hamwe na clinic officers nĩ gatagati ga ciama 7 cia gũtungatĩra arwaru kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi arĩa meyumĩririe na gũtabania mũrũrũngano wa thayũ. Makaya maruti wĩra aya nĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi kwaga gũthikĩrĩria makaya mao o hamwe na kwaga kũhingia maũndũ marĩa mandĩkanĩire thĩinĩ wa ũiguano wa CBA.
And they committed to be paying by 5th of every month. We are giving them an allowance of 1 or 2 days, but look here, today is the third month. We have not received salaries for August, September, and now we are in October.
Aruti wĩra aya makaĩte gũkorwo matamũkĩrĩte mũcara ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩeri 3 rĩu, ũndũ ũrĩa marauga nĩ ũramaritũhĩra amwe na ngombo matiraheo.
Imagine living in Nairobi with 3 months without being paid 3 months salary. In Nairobi you have rent to pay, you have school fees to pay, you have to transport yourself to work. It's not like we walk to work. There are so many things which Nairobi County unfortunately has not kept the side of his commitment.
We have staffs who are locked in hospitals. Yes. We cannot even changia them because normally we also have welfares. We cannot contribute to our members who are sick in hospitals. We have people who are dead already. We cannot go bury them. Hatuwezi toa pesa ya matanga because we don't have money.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo morĩtie thirikari ya kaunti gũtĩa maũndũ marĩa maiguanĩire marĩa nĩ hamwe na gũkinyanĩrio kwa ũiguano wa CBA, kwambatĩrio ngathĩ kũrĩ aruti wĩra arĩa makinyanĩirie ikĩro o hamwe na kũrĩhwo mĩcara ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire.
Signing tent work formulas has become just a ceremonial affair to the county. They don't implement anything. As we speak, when it reaches 9th of every month, we don't have insurance cover. Imagine as a health worker, you're being exposing your family, and yet when it reaches 10th, you don't have a cover. When you go to hospital, you have to pay out of pocket.
To an agreement with the employee, at least make an aim of making sure that you honor those agreements. People go out. Right now we are out here. We are going to have an agreement on how we are going to sort these issues and avoid such industrial actions.
Aruti wĩra aya makinyĩrĩirie maũndũ macio maga gũkinyanĩrio matigũkorwo na wĩki o tiga kũigamĩrwo thĩ na gũthararia motungata ma ũrigiti kaunti-inĩ ĩno.
We are actually, even the governor was telling us how he has paid for several doctors, several staffs in Nairobi amounting to almost 1 million. That is not right at all. We need to have a cover.
As we are speaking right now, today, there are no services happening. And for our patients, we are given notice that if you have relatives in our hospitals that are seeking services, there's nobody going to attend to them.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Njũgũna.